Experiencing issues receiving SMS messages on your ALDI mobile phone? You're not alone. As an MVNO operating on Verizon and AT&T networks, ALDI mobile users sometimes encounter SMS delivery problems. This is often due to incorrect message center, SMSC settings, or accidental blocking. Let's address these key issues and get your texts flowing again. First, understand that the message center, or SMSC, is the central hub that routes SMS messages. If this number is incorrect on your phone, messages might not be delivered. For Verizon-backed ALDI SIMs, the SMSC is often +331-231-4910, while for AT&T it can be +2066313004. Second, it's crucial to check for blocked numbers, both on your device and at the carrier level. Numbers can be blocked accidentally, preventing you from receiving their texts. To check and correct your SMSC on Android, go to your Messages app settings, then More settings, then Text Messages, and finally, Message Center. On iOS, due to Apple's restrictions, you may need a third-party app like SMS Center to modify the SMSC, which may require jailbreaking and is not recommended. Next, check for blocked numbers within your phone's settings or messaging app. Ensure that the sender is not on your block list. For carrier-level blocks, contact ALDI Mobile Support at 1-855-925-2362 to verify your account status and remove any blocks. Also, make sure that the SIM is properly inserted and that APN settings match ALDI's, name ALDI Mobile APN Wholesale. Restart your phone and reset network settings to ensure settings have been properly reset.